Kũgĩna kwa thirikari kũhetũkĩra rũhonge rwa ũtegi wa thamaki ugĩte kũrĩ na wongerereku wa ũtegi wa thamaki ndia-inĩ ndiku iria-inĩ rĩa Ũhĩndĩ na mũno makĩria ategi arĩa marauma nja ya bũrũri magoka gũtega gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ũguo makagiria ategi a gũkũ kũhota gũtega maĩ. Ũhoro nĩ kũringana na Ministry ya Wenji ũtegi wa thamaki ĩrĩa ĩtongoragio nĩ Salim Mvũria. Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro mwena wa Naivasha wagi wa thoko njega na wendia wa thamaki nĩ mũhĩnga mũnene kũrĩ rũhonge rũrũ rwa ũtegi wa thamaki.
Our colleagues in defense and interior so that we can be able to strengthen our surveillance and our presence in the EEZ so that we can be able to contain that particular challenge. The beach management units that are now present in the Indian Ocean, in the lakes, we want them to be economic units so that they move from being social organizations to economic units that can support fisheries business.
I can talk about my county, Lamu. Before I came in, we didn't have a single fish landing site. We have moved in Waziri in the last 2 months. I've already gotten 3 title deeds for fish landing sites. And we are partnering. There is a big project of KEMSED where some of the facilities that we require to assist the fishermen are going to be developed, mainly cold storage, fish markets, and fish processing plants.
We will continue to support our member states, including Kenya. Other governments have also launched their respective national strategies. We were able to talk to African Development Bank. They have shown interest to support Kenya. They're also supporting Somalia and Ethiopia in ensuring that we roll out the national blue economy strategy. And therefore, this discussion is ongoing together between IGAD, the African Development Bank, and Kenya.